Welcome back, YouTubers. So I haven't posted a video on my Powerwall for a couple of days now. Well, more than a couple of days, but the reason is I've been testing it and it's working the treat, guys. I'm telling you now, I'm really happy with it. It's working really good. And thank you, John, for sending me out that link. That link is awesome, buddy. If you can let me know that if you bought any of their batteries for 80 pence, because you know, a battery for 40 pence and LG or Samsung for 3,200 milliamps, that is crazy. And if they're real, I'm definitely snatching them up. So if you can let me know, buddy, or comment or an email again, because I don't really read my emails, so I wasn't avoiding you. I thought it was a spam, to be honest. So thank you for that link, and yeah, I wasn't ducking you or anything like that. I just don't read emails, so just leave a comment, it'd be better. So thank you very much, John, and yeah, just let me know in the comments below, because I'm really interested in them batteries. So obviously I've changed my whole setup. Well, not the whole setup, but I've got different bits and bobs going on now. So obviously I've got to put ends instead of the plastic push on. The reason is they're cheaper. I'm going to show you that right now, and I'll let you have a look at the unit. But before I show you the unit, just to preview something, okay guys? Right, in one of my videos I thought it was my Ledger batteries was not keeping charge, but that was not the case. The case is now my starter motor battery is going flat. I cannot find the issue at the moment. I'm still looking. I think it's my alarm system, to be honest, or my starter motor battery is not, you know, holding its power. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to recharge that system up. But obviously this has been going on for 5 days now or so, or longer than 5 days. So what I did, it was a good test for my Powerwall. So I left my Powerwall connected for those 5 days, and what it was doing, it was draining my lithium wall all the way down to 0 volts, and then midday it would charge all the way back up to 12.6, because obviously I haven't got the right lithium charger at the moment. So technically my acid batteries, my Ledger acid batteries, are topping up my lithium wall to 12.6 at the moment. Been testing the lithium wall day by day on different things. Obviously the drainage of my lack of power in my main cabin, and then it charged back up to 12.6, and then I switched off my isolator switch so there's no power from the cabin coming to the back. And then what I did, I put an inverter on this, a 2000 watt inverter, and I ran my oven, my normal oven up here, 950 watt oven on 2000 watt inverter, and it powered up really good. I think about 20 minutes it lasts. I didn't do the video, you know, because I'm still testing myself. And 40 batteries for 20 minutes on an oven, I think is really good. And obviously we've got solar on top. I never had no solar. Example, enjoying 0.5 amps now, so technically nothing. I think we've got a good little system for 40 batteries, you know. I know per fact my acid battery couldn't do that. Not my 110 amp acid battery, no way. No way. I've got probate, I think they're called. Probate acid battery, something like that. But let me show you my unit and what I've been doing, and I'll show you the voltage of it at the moment, because it's charged up now at 13.28. I'm not sure if it's because of this thing I've just added. I'm not sure, but it's not working correctly, but I'll talk you through that as I speak now. So YouTubers, I've got the step down. What's saying is throwing out 11.6 volts. I can't change this for some reason. I actually dialed down here. It came with no instructions. The only thing I've got correctly is the in. If I click it, right, if I click this one, it jumps to that side, 14.4. So coming in is 14.4 and going out is 11.6. The reason I set that is 14. I set it as 14.7 to be honest. So I'm not sure what this thing is actually doing, but the reason this is set as 14.7 because this is 14.8 each tube. It's not a 12.6 system, guys. This is meant to be stepped down the power, but it looks like it's not doing it right, or it might be for a different voltage, but according to the description it was for stepping down 14 volts, 12 volts and stuff like that, but I don't know, I'll have to Google it later. So the copper ends I've changed. The reason is it conducts better and you got a proper good connection there. and they were cheaper. You know, you got 25 of these on eBay for £12.50 instead of the other caps what you have to, you know, go shopping for, like £2, £1, wherever you buy them for. So it starts to add up. So this is the cheapest way. And the copper strips, they're about a centimetre width, 3 meters long, and they cost about £5 for about 50 strips or something like that. And then you've got your wing nuts. I've got M5s, and they cost about £3.50. So there's the voltmeter. It's hooked up already, as you can see there. One there, and it's showing 13.28, 13.27 or whatever. It's just factory. Obviously it's hooked up so the lights and that are running off it. Let me show you something. I'll show you something a bit amazing. I don't know if anyone's got one of these exhaust fans, and they take a lot of power. Mine does not have what's it called, like a reducer, so it's on turbo, and it's on a 3-way switch. I'm going to show you now. This draws about 5 amps. As you saw there, look, my lights go dim there, look, watch. That's how much amps it draws. And there you go, look. Let me switch it off. This is a killer. That fan is a killer, so you only run that when you've got solar. So I'm going to give you a good example here, watch this. So it stays around 12.21. Carry on. I'll leave it on for a couple more seconds so you can see this unit. I definitely need to get this sorted though. There you go, it's still going 12.03, and now it's apparently 10.4 coming from this cable. Nothing's getting hot. Let's see the other side, 13.1. If anyone knows, let me know guys, because I've used these before, and all you have to do, you click, like example, out, and use a little screwdriver, turn that, and it does the voltage in that for you. And there you go. I ain't gonna sit there all day doing that, but yeah guys, that is it. Still using the same fake batteries, but as I said, thanks to John, hopefully I can invest in some of them other batteries. I'm using a 7.5 amp cable going up to my box. Yeah, and that's it really. Look at that, look at my my acid battery's gone down to 11.5. When I switched that on, obviously my acid batteries are connected with that and that, so that meter was for both technically, if you know what I mean, because obviously it's still running the current up to that cable. Okay peeps, I'll keep you posted as soon as the lithium solar charger comes, because I'm going to wire it off the same unit. So I'm basically bridging from here to here and using one solar panel. I've got a 275 watt solar panel. Stay tuned if you want to see how I do that. And this will be up and running shortly. I've got more stuff coming as well. So, Hobbies and Gadgets is now signing out. Peace.